If you have a little leak in your block, I recommend this. It's $8. You put it in your car, you let your car run until you see the leak at least diminish or stop. And when you finish doing that, you flush the motor, the radiator, and watch it. Yep, I had a big leak in this car. And now, as you can see, it doesn't leak it. And I'm talking about real hot one day, and it wouldn't go back down. And it was running hot for a good 30 minutes to an hour, running hot. And then suddenly I got a leak. And leaking, I'm like, oh my goodness. Behind the block, and a lot of people, most people says, oh, it's the water pump. It's the water pump. Yep, it's the water pump. That's the only thing they could think of that would do that. It's the water pump, etc., etc. You have to change water pump. So I'm like, how is it the water pump when the car cools down? It's just at the time it didn't have any water. Like now, it doesn't. So now it works. So how's the water pump? But I was like, you know what? Let me try this product. Let me try this product and see before I go spend, a couple $100 to fix the water pump. The water pump for this car is about $80. And then, okay, you see the one that I put, no leaks. From the original place that I told you, no leaks from the original place. You see it was full, no leaks. Let's try to see if we can find the original place where it was leaking at. The original place. I'm sorry. The original place. Was leaking from before, and I don't see no leaks no more. I don't know, but that was where it was leaking at before. Now you see, I don't know if I can see it clear, but I guess that's what happened when you put the stuff on. But that where it was leaking. Now look at it now. Hey, what you think now? So it probably does work, because at the end of the day, I didn't know if it works or not, but it's been 2 weeks since that leak, and now it dropped since I added this. So it says seals all cracks permanently, and if you just follow instructions right here, you follow instructions, whatever, do what they tell you to do, exactly how they tell you to do it, you should be alright. I know this is not the one for my car, right? This is the part 116, and they give you like 116 is used in systems above 6 gallons, and the one is used in systems up to 6 gallons. So I was supposed to get the other one, but I got this one. This was the only one available at the AutoZone, and I wanted to clear that leak. So I used this, but you can see I didn't even use all of it. So I used this a week ago.
magic.
No leak.
Like I said, you see, I didn't even use all of it. And the instructions are on the back. This actually works. I wasn't gonna do a review because I didn't know if it really works. But since it works, I might as well do a review. I might as well, because sure, you never know. I've been helped through YouTube before, so I could help somebody else that has a problem like this. So if you have a Nissan Maxima 09 to 14 and your block is leaking, I recommend trying this. Thank you for watching.